Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. Revolut executive quits company to establish new crypto startup. Alan Chang, the chief revenue officer of Revolut, is reportedly leaving the UK fintech company, with plans to raise funds in the millions of dollars for a new cryptocurrency initiative. $100 million in funding for new crypto venture. According to Bloomberg, Chang is set to leave Revolut after working as one of the company's executives for nearly 7 years, as stated by a spokesperson of the firm. He joined Revolut in 2015 as its fifth employee. Although the chief revenue officer is departing the fintech company, Chang is working on developing a crypto startup. As revealed by anonymous sources to Bloomberg, the executive is seeking to raise $100 million. Meanwhile, he has reportedly also invested his money, which the unmentioned sources say, is in millions of dollars. An earlier report by the Business Insider said that Chang is planning to set up the new cryptocurrency venture with former Revolut employee Charles Orr, who left the company in 2020. Chang described the initiative as an intersection between renewable energy and Web3. "I want to build the largest economy in the world in the next 10 years. I also want to solve climate change whilst at it." However, the executive did not give further details about the venture. Meanwhile, UK filings reveal that Chang is listed as a director of a new company following his resignation from the same position in one of Revolut's units back in February 2022. Revolut's crypto efforts. The news of Chang's exit comes a few months after Revolut announced its intention to launch a crypto token. As CryptoPotato reported back in September 2021, sources said that the proposed cryptocurrency token would go live first in the European market and other non-US locations. However, the initiative is subject to the approval of the UK Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. The London-based fintech company is no newcomer to the cryptocurrency industry. Back in 2017, the company first announced support for Bitcoin trading and has since listed several other altcoins. In April 2021, 11 new tokens were against the security of the Ethereum mainnet. That's because Loopring uses scroll technology to bundle together thousands of transactions and then commit them to Ethereum in a single mainnet when a cryptocurrency runs on its own blockchain. Transaction. The firm's involvement in GameStop's NFT plans was leaked last fall, as internet sleuths discovered references to Loopring tech in the evolving marketplace codebase, plus other potential hints. As a result, Loopring's LRC token skyrocketed in price at the time, rising more than 200% in the span of a week. Now, however, the official announcement may be confusing to anyone who's been following GameStop's recent NFT news. That's because in early February, GameStop announced that rival Layer 2 solution Immutable X would power the NFT marketplace, with the retailer and Immutable establishing a $100 million token incentive fund for game developers. Both Layer 2 tech providers will ultimately power GameStop's NFT plans, it turns out. Today, Immutable tweeted a thread that notes that it is GameStop's preferred partner for the marketplace, and that the firms are working closely to source game developers to launch their NFTs on the platform. Immutable says that it has fielded thousands of inquiries from game makers and NFT creators about its IMX token incentives. Immutable added that Loopring integration was not a surprise, and we welcome them, and that the GameStop marketplace will act as an aggregator across NFT minting platforms. But ultimately, it appears that Immutable X will receive the most focus on the marketplace. Loopring's LRC token is up 34% over the past 24 hours, as of this writing, at a current price of $1.12 per CoinGecko. Immutable's IMX token is up nearly 3% at a price of $2.28. Last week, amid mixed results for its Q4 2021 fiscal year earnings, GameStop announced that its NFT marketplace is planned to launch by the end of its Q2 2022 fiscal year. As GameStop's 2021 fiscal year just ended on January 29, that gives the retailer a late July deadline to officially launch its NFT initiative. Immutable X is providing substantial IMX token payments to GameStop as part of the deal, and during the week that their partnership was announced in February, GameStop sold off $47 million worth of tokens. The price of IMX dropped significantly at the time, and was down as much as 23% over the previous 24-hour span after the news broke. Immutable doesn't comment on the actions of $IMX holders, but Immutable has sold no. Loopring price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. LRC Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the LRC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of LRC will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027 depending on the market.